now live at GoHardTactics.com. All merch as well as affiliate links to any affiliates that I have on the channel. You can support the channel by buying a sticker, t-shirt, patches. We have sweatshirts and more things to come. So check out GoHardTactics.com.
I'm really bad at shooting. Yeah. Oh. How you do it? Nope. You know? You shouldn't be. Just, you know, and just make sure you hold it like this. You know, right. Down there, you'll need it. You got jail. 18 rounds. I'm trying to go to the top right corner. Not too bad. Slowly fly out on my wrist side, my fist side. Not too bad. Could be better. The one mad truth though.
Introducing the StopBox Pro gun safe, the ultimate solution for safety. With cutting-edge technology, this safe keeps your firearms secure yet accessible. Built to last with an advanced locking mechanism, trust that your loved ones are protected. Use link in the description for 10% off and buy one StopBox Pro, get one free. Double the safety for your peace of mind. Visit our website today. Link is in the. Hey, whether you need to defend yourself with your hands, pistol, a sword, a rifle, or a pistol, USCCA. Anything happens, whether it's criminal or civil cases, that will cover your ass in case you need to use self-defense. No lacking. USCCA. Link in the description. Don't say I ain't tell you so. USCCA ain't the only ones on the market, so shop around. We personally use USCCA. That link is in the description. They have insurance policy, online training, and certifications right at the comfort of your own home.